Z. Imagine this for a second. You wake up, grab your phone, and before you even leave your bed, you see that you've already made money today. Not because you rushed to work, not because someone paid you hourly, but because AI quietly did the heavy lifting for you. No hype, no overnight millionaire story. Just real systems that generate income step by step. Most people scroll past videos like this because they think it's fake. But what if I told you the reason they never make money with AI is not because it doesn't work, but because they never slow down enough to understand how it actually works? Right now, there are normal people with no special background using AI to make around $100 per day. Some days more, some days less. And the difference between them and everyone else is not intelligence, not luck, not expensive tools. It's clarity. Once you see the full picture, things finally click. Before we go deep, if you're interested in realistic AI income ideas and not fake promises, make sure you like this video and subscribe to AI Income Hub. This channel is all about practical strategies that actually make sense in the real world. Subscribing now means you won't miss future breakdowns that could save you months of confusion. Now, let's clear something important right away. $100 per day is not a single magic button. It's usually built from simple income blocks stacked together. Think of it like this. If you make $20 from one task, $30 from another, and $50 from something else, you're already there. AI helps you build these blocks faster and with less effort. The first block we need to talk about is AI-assisted freelancing. This is where many beginners start, and for a good reason. Freelancing gives fast feedback and fast money. But the secret is not competing as a cheap freelancer. The secret is using AI to work faster than everyone else. Businesses need content every day. Emails, descriptions, captions, blog rewrites, summaries, customer replies. These are not creative masterpieces. They are repetitive tasks. And repetitive tasks are perfect for AI. Let's say you offer a simple service like rewriting existing content to make it clearer and more engaging. A client sends you a rough paragraph. You use AI to rewrite it, adjust tone, fix grammar, and polish it. What used to take 40 minutes now takes 10. You charge the same price. Suddenly, your hourly value increases without increasing effort. Many people make the mistake of telling clients they are using AI. You don't need to. The client doesn't care how you do the work, they care about results. AI is your assistant, not your selling point. If you complete just for small gigs at $25 each, you've already hit your daily goal. And yes, that is very realistic once you build a profile and stay consistent. Now here's where most people fail. They overthink skills. They think they need to be experts. You don't. You just need to be slightly better organized than the client. AI fills the skill gap. Another powerful block is AI-powered short-form content. Right now, attention is currency. Businesses know they need short videos, but they don't have time to create them daily. This is where opportunity lives. Using AI, you can generate video ideas, scripts, captions, and hooks. You don't need to dance, show your face, or be an influencer. You simply help businesses stay visible. Imagine offering a package where you create one short video per day for a business. 30 videos per month for $300. That's $10 per video. With AI, one video might take 5 minutes. Even if it takes 10, that's still extremely efficient. Landing just 2 clients like this already puts you close to or above $100 per day. And once you build a workflow, it becomes routine. Same structure, different content. This is where AI really shines. It removes decision fatigue. You don't sit there thinking, what should I post today? AI tells you. Now, let's slow down for a moment, because this next part is important. AI income is not about doing everything. It's about choosing 1 or 2 methods and committing long enough to see results. People jump from idea to idea and wonder why nothing works. Another long-term but powerful income block is AI content monetization. This includes YouTube channels, blogs, and social media pages built with AI assistants. AI Income Hub itself is an example of how AI can support content creation without burning you out. AI helps with research, scripting, idea validation, and even voiceover, too. Over time, These platforms generate income through ads, affiliate links, and digital products. This is slower at first, but it compounds. One video can keep earning for months or even years. That's something freelancing alone cannot do. This is why smart creators mix short-term income with long-term assets. Even if your content makes just a few dollars per day at first, consistency changes everything. AI helps you stay consistent even when motivation is low. Let me tell you something most people don't realize. Making $100 per day is not impressive. Keeping it consistent is what changes lives. And consistency comes from systems, not motivation. AI allows you to build systems faster. Once you see income even once, your belief changes. And belief changes action. If you're still watching, it means you're serious about improving your situation. Make sure you resubscribe to AI Income Hub, because the next videos will go even deeper into step-by-step workflows. Now let's continue, because this is where everything starts to connect. Uptil now, you've seen how AI helps you earn faster and smarter. But this next part is where people usually underestimate the real power of AI digital products. This is one of the most realistic and scalable ways to move from working daily for money to money coming in even when you take a break. Here's the truth. People pay for clarity, not perfection. And AI is incredible at organizing information in a clear, simple way. You don't need to invent something new. You just need to package existing knowledge better. Think about simple digital products like checklists, planners, prompt guides, templates, or short ebooks. For example, a small business owner doesn't want to learn AI from scratch. They want ready-made prompts. You can use AI to create something like 50 ChatGPT prompts for Instagram marketing and sell it for $10. Now do the math. If just 10 people buy it in one day, that's $100. No meetings, no clients, no deadlines. And the best part is, once it's created, you don't recreate it every day. AI helps you build it once, then you improve it slowly over time. Platforms like Gumroad or Etsy make this extremely simple. You upload the product, write a description, and share the link. AI even helps you write the product description and marketing copy. The barrier to entry is very low. Most people don't fail because they can't do this. They fail because they think, who would buy from me? The answer is simple. People don't buy you. They buy solutions. If your product saves time or removes confusion, people will pay. Another highly realistic method is AI-powered automation services. This sounds technical, but it really isn't. Small businesses are overwhelmed. Emails, customer questions, bookings, follow-ups. They don't need complex software. They need simple automation. With no-code tools and AI chatbots, you can help businesses set up basic systems. For example, an AI chatbot that answers common customer questions, or an automated email response system. You charge a setup fee. $100, $200, sometimes more. Even landing just 3 or 4 clients per week can easily average out to $100 per day. Once you've done it once, the next setup is faster. Same steps, same structure, different business. What's important to understand here is that AI doesn't replace human judgment. It supports it. Businesses still want someone who understands their needs. You become the bridge between AI and the business. Now let's talk about something that makes or breaks everything. Mindset. This is not motivational talk. This is reality. Most people approach AI income like a lottery ticket. They want instant results. When it doesn't happen in a few days, they quit. The people who succeed treat it like a system. They test, they adjust, they stay consistent. AI shortens the learning curve, but it does not remove effort. What it removes is wasted effort. You stop guessing and start executing. This is why combining methods works so well. Freelancing gives quick wins. Digital products build passive income. Content creation builds long-term authority. AI connects all of it. Even this channel, AI Income Hub, exists because AI makes content creation more sustainable. Without burning out, without overthinking every word. If you're still here, it means something inside you wants change. And I want you to understand this clearly. $100 per day is not a dream. It's a starting point. It's proof that you can control your income. Once you reach that level, your confidence changes. your decisions change. You stop asking, "Is this possible?" and start asking, "How can I scale this?" And here's a secret. Most people don't fail because methods don't work. They fail because they don't stay long enough to let momentum build. AI rewards consistency more than talent, EPS. This video helped you see new possibilities. Make sure you're subscribed to AI Income Hub. Upcoming videos will break these methods down step by step so you can actually apply them, instead of just feeling inspired. Now I want to hear from you. Which method felt the most realistic for you? Freelancing, content creation, digital products, or automation? Comment below and tell me. I read the comments and your feedback helps shape future videos. And one more thing. If you know someone who's struggling financially or feeling stuck, share this video with them. You never know, this might be the push they needed to start. Thank you for watching till the end. Stay consistent, trust the process, and remember, AI is not here to replace you. It's here to help you grow. I'll see you in the next video.